Wednesday, September 11th, 2024. Focus. Blessed are you who are poor, for yours is the kingdom of God. The Beatitudes are the essence of Christ's message. Jesus came to rescue the poor, the weak, the helpless, and the ridiculed from their misery. God always intervenes on their behalf. It is no coincidence that the first to come and visit baby Jesus were poor shepherds. God's commitment to the poor is already seen in the Old Testament. You shall not harden your heart or shut your hands against your poor brother. The Lord adorns the humble with salvation. Does God glorify poverty? No, but He expects the rich to realize that everything they have is a gift from Him. Jesus celebrates the joy of the poor to whom God's kingdom already belongs. The Lord grieves over the rich because they find their consolation in the abundance of goods. Let the proud seek and love earthly kingdoms, but blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Yielding to God's providence frees us from anxiety about the future. The Church's love for the poor is part of a tradition inspired by the Beatitudes. It is one of the reasons why we must work and earn, so as to be able to give to those in need. Fruit. I will strive to be detached from my possessions and open my heart to sharing with needy, and so seek the entire God's kingdom.